The one thing I'm asked all the time on Wall Street, even by the guys, is where do I get my clothes? Well, on this week's Beauty in the Biz, I'm going to show you a little secret. An endless wardrobe on a budget is right on the screen. Rent the Runway has an unlimited option that allows you to choose 4 pieces of clothing at a time for $169 a month. That's less than a dress. There's work attire, party outfits, cocktail dresses, even purses to choose from. They send it to you in a dry clean garment bag ready to wear. Then when you're done, send the items right back with the prepaid label included. So that takes care of your shopping and dry clean bills, and of course, all your worries. So let's see, what do I want to wear this week? I like this. Oh my God, this is so cute. Love this. And look how quick that was. Let's do a fashion show.
And I'm ready to go. That's my secret for staying hot